32, 33. That's in my shower. You always got to be very careful, people, not to hit anything, hit another tile or anything like that. While you're putting in place, because tiles can chip pretty easy. Little bit of adjustment with the hand tool. You've always got it. You've always got it with you. Nice. Right, we'll mark that sucker. I'll mark that sucker when I come back to you. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'll zap that one and that. And then I come up here with full tiles onto the next wall. I've got a fair bit of cutting there yet, but I'm going to, that's the vanity there. I'm gonna open it up and see if it's got a back. And then I don't have to be too flash with my cut around the pipes. When I fit the vanity, that's when I make a nice round hole. But we'll see. I'll check out the vanity first. And then I can, if it's got a back, I can just cut simple square cuts, which will be cool. Okay people, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Chris O's channel. Subscribe to Chris O. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon.